The most talented, hard-working member of our crew. One of the greatest Flatland BMX riders of all time. He's invented more tricks than I am years old. I can't even begin to explain to you how much work and dedication this guy puts into his riding. And his list of accolades is incredible. Right there with the hook spin, throwing the bars around. 3 tops in the bars. That was a total of 10 bar spins while in a hook spin. He is feeling it. He normally saves that one for the end of the show. I don't know if we've got any basketball fans out there, but this man is an unlockable character in NBA 2K19. That means if you play through the game, you can unlock feet and do signature moves like this gun lever. His version of a Superman right there. Alright, his bars are backwards right now. He wants to feel the energy, guys. If you got those phones out, make some noise for Mr. Pete Brand. This man has won contests all over the world for his revolutionary riding. Up there on that front wheel, the bike is completely upside down. Tosses it around like it's nothing. And the key to every maneuver, you'll see he looks for those pedals at the end of the clinches. And there he is. Right back to the pedals. Perfect execution each and every time. Oh man, Pete is feeling it today. We call him the Energizer Bunny. He does not run out of steam. This man... Oh, the blender on the first round of the show. 8, 9, 10. Over a dozen times around during that blender. I can't even believe what we just witnessed. And that's just his opening act.
Well, thank you, Cage Rock. Now it is time to turn your attention back over to this box jump right here. You guys enjoying yourselves so far?
Yeah.